Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, December 17th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It's really an interesting day today. I gotta confess, I kind of had fun today. Not all trading days are fun. We had a pile of positions and a lot of little stuff, some stuff positive, some stuff negative, but it's all kind of fun to watch today. And I'm going to call today the day of 11,000. What happened was we had all these positions. When I did the statistics at the end of the day, we had $11,421 in winning closed out trades, and we had $11,054 in closed out losing trades. That means we made a net profit today of $367. Pretty small profits for us, but still it's always better to make money than to lose it. But the good part of it, continuing the 11,000 day theme, we are carrying $11,551 in open trade equity, and we had three just really good trades that we're carrying into tomorrow, and that's where most of our money is. These were trades that we had would normally have exited today, but they did so well that we hold them an extra day. So that looks real good. Dow Jones Industrial Average just drifted today. I'll show you the charts, but basically it's just in drifting sideways mode right now. But it didn't really affect us badly. But we had a lot of neat things happen today. As I say, it was fun watching the markets. Let's take a look. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and it's kind of an interesting pattern here. We had the big slide here, and then the market kind of flattened out, indicating that it was going to reverse, and it certainly did yesterday. This thing just really took off, and then we're going back into kind of flat mode again, but it's flat mode about 125 points higher. I don't even want to predict what's going to happen tomorrow. We could have another flat day, or this thing could take off. I would favor it going higher than lower, but we'll just have to see. Anyway, for right now, the Dow does not look like it's doing too much, but drifting sideways. But anytime, even the sideways action will help us get out of trades that we get in from a day like today. As long as that thing doesn't really reverse, we seem to do pretty well. I'll show you some of our trades. We had a lot of interesting stuff today. I'll show you the smallest first. This is in Western Digital, but just a pretty nice trade. We had bought this yesterday on the pop, and we were buying this thing really high, and it really didn't do too much for us yesterday, but we got a second day move today, fortunately, and that really took us up. We were up over $2,000 with Western Digital at one point. I didn't like what happened here at the end of the day, but still we're very profitable at $1,500 with that, so I'm pretty comfortable with that. The next trade I'll show you here, this is a new market for us, JKS. That's Junko Solar Holding Company. It's a solar stock, and solar stocks have been really good this year. We took a lot of money out of CSIQ, Canadian Solar, and Solar City. But this is a new one that I added, and this was just so far it's just a great trade. We've gotten into this yesterday. It actually did not close profitable for us, but it really took off again today. And we are holding over $3,500 in Junko Solar Holding Company, otherwise JKS, right now. And so I would like to see a little more follow through tomorrow, but we'll just have to see. Anyway, that really looks like a good trade. And then I'm going to show you the sweetheart trade of probably of the entire week. We'll have to see. The week's still young, but this is in Adept, which is Adept Technology, and this again is a new market for us. We bought this yesterday on just a little pop. I mean, it was coming out of this thin, narrow range, and so we got into this right away, and it really moved very nicely in our favor yesterday. But today, holy smokes, this thing just took off like a bird, and then it pulled back here, and I was a little bit worried, is this thing going to fill the gap or retrace? And it came right back, so that is pretty close to the high, and we are holding, drum roll, $7,700 in open trade equity in Adept Technology. So I'm very happy about that. Again, we are holding a total of nearly $12,000 going into tomorrow. So it looks really good to me. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.